Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to say a few words on the budget that has been presented. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not mention here the valuable contribution made by the sons and daughters of India for the attainment of this new status. Sir, the first subject that I would like to touch upon is the cost of living index, which is showing no signs of going down. Unless it is brought down by increasing food production, I do not think that the economic crisis that is facing the country can be successfully tied over. Honorable members are well aware that in the field of long-term foundation for food production, we have made great progress. It is true that nature has been most unkind in recent years and the drought has adversely affected the progress in food production. I want to stress that it is high time that we should make vigorous efforts to speed up production in every way possible. The handloom industries are receiving great attention and smooth at the hands of the government. As the handloom industry is facing hardships, I want that the government should concentrate more on this. Honorable members will agree with me that the handloom weavers who are working hard must get equal attention at the hands of government in the matter of supply of raw materials and education of their children. I would like to say that industrialization is closely connected with power supply and availability of raw materials. I am of the view that power is the backbone for industrial and agricultural progress. The state government have been laying great emphasis on power development. In spite of great difficulties, the government have been carrying out progress and welfare schemes in the power sector. But I am sorry to say that in spite of increase in power availability, it has not been possible to meet the entire requirement. I think it is because of rapid increase in demand as well as continuous failure of monsoons. I want to urge upon the government that there is need to shift from conventional electric power generation to the solar power generation. With these few words, I join welcome of these schemes, all these schemes of the budget. I congratulate the government on having produced a good budget within the limited resources available. Letter from Bharat Stores, Madurai to Messrs. Raghavan Sons, North Street, Chennai. Dear Sir, we inform you your attention to your inquiry of the 7th April regarding our latest silk products. We are glad to state that we are one of the leading customers on silk sarees and are dealing in these goods for a long time. We assure you that the quality of sarees is very good. We are happy to inform you that we have a large number of regular customers and there has been no complaint. We are confident that you will also be satisfied with the quality of our goods. As the Pongal festival is fast approaching, we request you kindly to place your order so that we may supply the sarees in time. We are happy to inform you that we shall give you a special discount of 2% in addition to trade discount of 5%. Awaiting your favorable response. Yours faithfully. Attainment Guided Conventional